Bicycles can be damaged by impacts and usage. You will now see 3 examples of bike repairs you can easily do yourself. To repair a torn saddle, first lightly moisten the surfaces. This will help to form a stronger bond. Apply a light amount of all-purpose glue over the surface. Press the 2 parts together gently and ensure they fit. To fix a loose rubber handle grip, ensure that the handle can easily slide onto the handlebar. Apply a generous amount of glue, about 1 centimeter inside the end of the grip. Now slide the grip into position on the metal handlebar. To bond a broken reflector, make sure the 2 parts are clean and fit together. For best results when using an all-purpose glue, you can lightly moisten both surfaces before bonding. Apply a generous amount of glue. Press the 2 parts together. Allow the bond to cure 24 hours. It's done.